Hi, this is Victoria, bringing you some helpful tips from my home to your home. Today in this video, I will be showing you a kind of plant which is, I find it strange. I did not know about it. So if you know about this kind of wildflower or fruit, let me know guys, but I have a doubt if it is the one that what we call a kind of wild berries, which is a kind of toxic. I'm not really sure, but if you know about this wild fruit, please leave a comment down below, and I want to know what is this kind of wildflower. Well, I greatly appreciate if you will cooperate or participate with our question of today. What is this kind of wild fruit? Are you familiar with this? Do you know the scientific name or the common name of this wild fruit? I am happy guys to interact with you, and I will get back to you if you could just answer with our question today, if you know a scientific name or a common name about this wild fruit. Because if I'm not mistaken, I suppose this is a wild berries and a kind of very toxic wild berries. So that's it guys for the close look, and that's the bottom part. And not only one, there's a lot of that one guys. There is there, and there is also there. Well, good morning. I'm in a little forest here, but although it's a kind of noisy because the main road is not quite far. So if any one of you familiar with this kind of wild fruit, please let me know. I greatly appreciate if you could tell me. So that's it guys. I suspect this is a wild berry, but I'm not really sure. That is why I'm asking if any one of you familiar with this. I am happy guys to interact with you, and just leave a comment down below and let me know what is this kind of wild fruit or wild flower that I found here in the forest. So in our little forest here, leave a comment. That's how the close look is. But as I suppose, everything on earth have a purpose. I do not know what's the real purpose of this living creature here. I do not know exactly, but I suppose there is a purpose for everything here on earth. But if I'm not mistaken, this is the wild berries, which is very toxic. So please guys, leave a comment if you know this wild flower or wild fruit, and let's share to everyone what is the significance and if there's anything we need to be aware of. Oops. Then we could help some people who are not aware and familiar, and if we need to know something that we need to be aware and avoid. So at least we could help someone guys. Well, thank you so much guys. I greatly appreciate if you could tell me what is this kind of wild flower or wild fruit. Because if I'm not mistaken, I suspect if this is the wild berries. It's just I'm not really sure guys. That is why I asked you if you could help me. So that's how it looks like. Leave a comment. I am happy to have a lovely conversation with you guys. Let me know what is this wild fruit or wild flower. It's a kind of noisy guys, because we're not far from the main road, and it's morning down here, and it's early in the morning, and it's quite busy on the street. So there's a lot of fast cars and fast trucks pass by behind. So bear with me, it's quite noisy down here. So I hope you will help me recognize this kind of wild fruit and wildflower. I am happy, guys, to have a lovely conversation with you. Well, that's all for this morning. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. And bye for now. And if you are new to this channel, please leave a comment and like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you could see more of our new upload videos. So thank you so much for watching, and bye for now. Look how beautiful is the trees.